I can't believe this thing's finally here. Let's get into it. I put a deposit down on this thing on April 18th, 2024. So let's just see if it's worth the wait. I've got the manual and decals in here, so I'll get through that here in a second. Looks like we got the remote right here. Fly Sky. I think it's a 6-channel. We will get with that here in a minute. Here's what we're waiting for right here. Look at this. Got the bed caps when you pull the topper off. That's pretty cool. Looks like the cable for the remote. Other set of wheels and tires that I like. I love these. They would definitely be going on. And here's the masterpiece right here. If I can get it out of here. Wow, I cannot believe it's sitting there. Such a good looking little truck, man. I'm so happy with this. I was happy to be part of the Founders Edition. I didn't really have much say-so in there, but I did vote on the color orange, that's for sure, because orange is my favorite color. So sorry for everyone that was voting for blue, but they did give us a second body, which actually I do have right over here. So we got this right here, which is kind of hard for y'all to see, so we'll check that out here in a minute. Oh, this is so nice. How's the hood open? I know that open. There we go. Oh, look at that. Such a good looking ride, man. All right, let me go through. I want to change those wheels out. I do want to put these wheels on. And let me get a battery figured out for it and get batteries and remote, and then we'll check this thing out. So y'all hang tight. Well, here's where I'm at right now. So I was putting my wheels on. I'm putting those wheels on right there. That's what I want on here. And you got to take the hexes off, because here's the old wheel right here with the hex. This one right here has a slot in it. So you need to take the hex off. And for the life of me, I cannot remove these two hexes off this rear end. I don't know what they've got going on. It's glued on or something. I don't have a clue. So I'm going to mess with it a little longer, but I guess I'm going to put these back on here for now until I get something figured out, or I'm missing something. I don't know. But anyway, I just wanted to stop and show that real quick. Alright, I got one done. This one right here, though, has been a booger. I don't know if you can really see. It wants to come off, but my gosh. I mean, I don't want to break this thing. I don't know what they did. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. I don't know if I can get it to focus. And I can't. I don't know. Let's see here. Can't tell if it's glued in there or not, but I can't get the focus for you. But anyway, let me see if I can try to get this last one done. Well, I made it a little farther. Slowly but surely. I'll eventually get this thing off. Finally got it off. I don't know if you can see it on the hub there or not. You have to see on the hex here. Something glue or something's on there. I can't tell. But man, that's the craziest I've ever had with a hex. Alright, let's get back on. Finally got the wheels on. Man, oh man, REDCAT, what was up with the hexes? Man, explain, please. I'm also noticing too, right here on the bed, a little bit of, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, a A little bit of warpage right here. I don't know if I need to remount that or what, but I'll go over that later on. But other than that, body lines are really straight. Like, that's a good looking truck. But man, those hexes were a pain. Spent way too much time on that. But now I gotta learn how to maneuver this thing. Oh, I love that. And there's that REDCAT wine. Wow. This thing is crazy. This is so much fun. I mean, when you go outside, you can just play with your desk if you want. Well, it moves the truck around. Alright, let's actually turn this thing off. I will show you what battery I'm using. And I'll switch there and how I had to cram it in there to get it to fit. Yeah. But oh yeah, look at the chassis too. All that chrome. That is a lot of chrome. And I love the orange chassis rails. I'm going to take the body off for you. It's got clips there and clips there. So let me see if I can figure out. There we go. So I love the clipless body system. And does it have headlight buckets? I think it does have headlight buckets. So I do want to add a light kit to it later on. But man, that chassis looks so good. But I really had to cram this battery in here. I mean, I just tight. And like I said, the body don't really want to slide on. I mean, this wire, any little thing gets in the way, it doesn't like it. So you really got to maneuver it and finagle it in there. And I do love how you just pick the bed up out of your way. There we go. That out. Well, yeah, good looking detail. Love it. There's a few things I want to do to it. I'm not going to go crazy with it. I just kind of like the way it looks right now. The orange is what I wanted. And oh yeah, and they got that spare body too. Let me show you the spare body real quick. So here's the spare body. There, let's get that out of the way. New cab. Got fenders, bed caps, bumper. There's more of the bed. Got some decals in there. Here's the topper. The windows for the topper. Body panels and the hood. And a lot of the hardware, chrome bits. A lot of black parts on this one. I know the Founders Edition's got the chrome parts on it. This one's got a lot of black parts. Here's the interior. And here's the wiper blades and everything else, the valve cover, because that's all chrome on the Founders Edition. Cool. And then you already know it came with those wheels right there. And then here's the decal sheet. So I think this may be exclusively only for the Founders Edition. There's more there. Y'all can see them. And then more Founders Edition decals, gold and the blue and the chrome. And then it came with this tool right here for your wheel wrench and everything else. So that'll do the spoke wheels. Not sure what that does. That's just a circle. That's some kind of weird hex. But that circle actually goes over these nuts right here. So I mean, I got them hand tight, so you have to check them. I mean, I know there's Loctite on there right now, but if you actually plan on driving this thing around, check those nuts every now and then. Even the spinners too, on the spokes. Check those every now and then. And then what else did it come with? Oh yeah, and then the bed caps that replaced where the topper was. But cool. I'm gonna like I said, I'm gonna leave this orange. That spare body I got, I'm gonna do something else with it. I'm gonna make it into like a, put that body onto the chassis, either make a crawler out of it or a drift car or a race truck or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna do something else with that body later on. Right now, this one I'll probably maybe detail a bit more. Maybe I know definitely gonna do light kit on it, but I'll get some things figured out on it and I'll do another running video on it. But guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed the video, and y'all be good and take care.